Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here of Morbid Team Entertainment. In this video we're going to talk about casting for experimental horror film here in the Philippines. We want you to think each talent that's cast of what type of gross, terrifying way you would like to die, and we'll kill you off with a special effect. You want to be hung? You want your throat cut? Maybe you want to be castrated. Who wants to know? We do. Just tell us and we'll write it into the script of how we would like to kill you off. And that type of a thing. We're probably going to film in Cavite, more than likely. And if you do that, and you need to have some dreadlocks, tattoos, colored hair, piercings, that works out best for our avant-garde horror film. And who all the better to do it is a Bell right back here in the background. He's actually doing some work, as you can see. And we got some guys back here. Yep. So, I just asked them if they'd like to be, what type of gross way they like to be killed off, and they really can't say. But maybe you can. Do subscribe to the Morbid Team Entertainment YouTube channel and the groups and the page, and put a like on our videos. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.